Hello everybody. So as you can see, I am about to start on me a wig. So what I'm doing today is a U-Part wig. I'm going to continue to sew this hair around. The hair I am using is from a hair company I have bought off AliExpress. I'm going to do a review on this hair soon, so just stay continuing to tune into my channel. Y'all can see, my dad and my best friend is in the back. They talking my ear off, so I'm like, you know what, let me just finish this wig. So I'm going to continue to sew this, and I am flipping the tracks back and forth, and you will see once I get to the top, so just continue watching. y'all, as y'all can see, I made it to the top, well, to slightly the, midsection. Yeah, so I'm going to continue to do this. The hair, the first bundle I put in, it is a 18. Now, I ordered 3 bundles from this company off AliExpress. It was a 16, 18, and 20. So I decided to just start off with the 18 because I honestly didn't want it too long right now. So even though I still put the 18 in, it was still pretty long. So I knew if I probably put the 20 in, it would be longer. But yeah, I started off with the 18 inch. Now I'm starting with the 16 inch. And the top brand hair, it is from a vendor. Now I'm going to tell y'all. So I've been, getting my hair extension company together. And the hair that I'm going to use at the top, which will be a 14 inch, it is from a company I have purchased from to test the hair. I'm going up to at least 4 vendors, and I'm choosing out which hair will be great for my company. So just stay in tune for new updates or anything pertaining to my hair extension company. Yeah, so doing this U-part is not that hard, y'all. You're just basically sewing back and forth, and then, once you get to the top, you know how you want your part where your hair going to be out to be. You know how wide you want, if you want it wide or not wide. But yeah, y'all, so continue. And I know they bored back there, but it don't matter because they love me and they know this is what I do. So either they gonna sit there like they doing or get out. Nah, I'm just like, nah, y'all, I ain't mean like that. So continue watching and I will be done. So now we're at the top. As y'all see, I had to move the camera around. This angle still kinda is not right, but y'all gonna get the picture soon. So I am at the top where my leave out is gonna be at, and I'm just finishing up and things like that. Yeah, so continue watching. I am done. This is it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Stay tuned for more updates of hair and makeup videos. And thank you for watching.